Right, I'm almost ready to actually put the monitor and the keyboard and the mouse on it. I just wanted to say a few words on installation of the Crucial hard disk. So this yoke here that it's attached to comes off with just one screw here, and then you can take it off, and I actually use the same motherboard screws that came with the case to screw it into it. A few issues that came up were you have to use a straight data connector there to feed into the motherboard. I only actually have the angle ones, which came angle, and the straight one that came with the motherboard, and which means I can only use the second port. I can't use the first port. I have to change the cable, but I just want to get on and install Windows if it gets that far. And then this, the power connection is a bit tight, but otherwise it seems okay. So that's what I wanted to say about that. Okay.